Did you know that intense exercise can literally kill your limbs within hours? It's called compartment syndrome, and it turns your own muscles into a deadly trap. Here's what happens. Your muscles are wrapped in tough tissue called fascia, like a rigid sleeve that can't stretch. When you exercise hard or injure your leg, the muscle swells inside this tight compartment. But unlike skin, fascia won't give. The pressure builds and builds. Eventually, it acts like a tourniquet, cutting off blood flow to everything inside. Your muscles and nerves start dying within hours. The telltale sign isn't normal soreness. It's excruciating pain when someone gently stretches your muscle. If this happens, you have 6 hours before permanent damage sets in. Surgeons have to slice open the fascia in multiple places to release the pressure. It's called a fasciotomy, and it's the only thing that can save your limb. Remember this, severe pain and swelling after exercise isn't always normal. Sometimes it's a race against time to prevent amputation.